Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to explore how to create your own custom exceptions in Python. This powerful feature allows you to define and raise errors that are specific to your program's needs, making your code much clearer and more robust. First, let's quickly review built-in exceptions. Python comes with a variety of standard exceptions like ValueError or TypeError, which are triggered during common runtime problems. However, sometimes these are too general. To handle errors unique to your application's logic, we need custom exceptions. They help us create more readable and maintainable code by giving a name to a specific problem. Creating a basic custom exception is surprisingly simple. All you need to do is define a new class that inherits from Python's built-in exception class. In its most minimal form, the body of the class can just be the pass keyword. And that's it, you have successfully defined a new type of error. Once you have defined your custom exception, you can use the raise keyword to trigger it. In this example, we have a function that checks if a number is less than 10. If it is, we raise our custom value to low error. You can also pass a descriptive string message when you raise the error, which can be very helpful for debugging. Handling your custom exception is done with a standard try and except block, just like you would for any built-in exception. You simply wrap the code that might cause the error in a try block, and then use an except block that names your custom exception class. This allows you to run specific code to handle that particular error gracefully. To make your custom exceptions even more useful, you can enhance them. By defining your own constructor or init method, you can pass and store additional data when the exception is raised. For example, you could store the value that caused the error. You can also override the string representation to provide a more detailed and formatted error message. Here is a practical example. We have a function that validates a salary. If the salary is outside a defined range, it raises our custom salary not in range error. When we catch this exception, the custom message we defined earlier is printed, which includes the exact salary that caused the problem. This provides immediate, useful feedback. When creating custom exceptions, it's good to follow some best practices. Always be specific with your error types. Inherit from the base exception class, not from base exception. It's a strong convention to end your custom exception class names with the word error. And finally, always include as much relevant context as possible to make debugging easier. To sum up, custom exceptions are a fundamental tool for writing robust Python applications. They make your code more descriptive by giving meaningful names to potential problems. Remember to create them by inheriting from the exception class, use the raise keyword to trigger them, and handle them with a try and except block. Customizing them with more context will make your error handling logic powerful and precise.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.